Girl, you make me feel like $1,000,000. Baby, you got that diamond love. Every time we touch you, the world is ours.
Hey all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my hair color again, but I'm going to be going a nice bright neon, which will be fun. It's a neon phoenix color. So there are going to be a lot of different colors that I'm going to use. Purple, the gray, silver, yellow, pinks, reds, purples. So I'll go over all those with you once I get started. And also just let you know, it also is dependent on the what you start with your hair. So the how light it is, how blonde it is. So if you need to, you may need to lighten it a little bit or a lot, depending. So I've already done mine from the blue that I had in before. You can see a little bit of it less, but that's not a big deal because it's pretty light as well. So okay, let's get going with the tutorial. The different Ion semi-permanent hair colors I used were purple, red, hottie pink, radiant orchid, lemon, and titanium. For the dark purple color, I mixed 3/4 tube purple with a 1/4 tube titanium. The pink color was a mix of 3/4 tube of hottie pink, a 1/4 tube of red, and a 1/4 tube diluter. 3/4 tube lemon, 3/4 tube red, and a 1/4 tube radiant orchid, each in separate containers. For all the colors, mix a small amount of water in to make the cream easier to work with. To help blend future hair growth, I started with the dark purple color at the roots, sometimes blending in some of the radiant orchid color right after it. For the lower half of my hair, I took about 1-inch pieces and added the red, then the pink mixture, and yellow at most of the ends, making sure to blend the colors where they met so not to leave any harsh color change lines.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
I used this color combo on the top half too, however changed some to pink and red only, or yellow with a bit of red blended for some extra orange yellow highlights. Once everything was applied, I waited and let it process for 45 minutes, then rinsed with cool water and used the after treatment and color sealer by Ion to close the hair cuticle and lock in the color.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away.
Now I'm all done, dried, and styled with my new neon look, and I love it. What do you think? It's even giving me a little bit of energy boost, and the colors are definitely fun. So a few tips though when using the Ion or other brands semi-permanent hair color is it tends to bleed, especially any reds, pink colors, or anything around there. So you want to rinse that with cold water or cool water if you don't want to do the cold. I also skipped the light shampoo when rinsing, but I did use a cuticle closer and color seal treatment. So do you know of any tips or tricks to help semi-permanent hair color last longer? Share it in the comments below. It'd be awesome. For more hair tutorials, DIY, and other videos, consider subscribing and click the bell button next to it while you're there so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and if you liked it, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and clicking that like button. And yeah, that's the end. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Alright, bye.